Book of Heaven, Volume 12, September 25th, 1920. The truth is light, likeness to the sun. Finding myself in my usual state, I saw my always lovable Jesus as if he were placing a globe of light in my interior. And then he told me,
"My daughter, my truth is light, and in communicating them to souls, since they are limited beings, I communicate my truths with limited light, since they are not capable of receiving immense light. However, it happens as to the sun. While up high in the heavens, one sees a globe of light, limited, circumscribed. The light that spreads from it invests the whole earth, warms, fecundates. So it is impossible for man to number the plants fecundated, and the lands illuminated and warmed by the sun. While he can see it up high in the heavens in a twinkling of an eye, then he cannot see where its light ends up, and the good it does. The same happens to the sons of the truths which I communicate to souls. Inside of them they appear as limited, but when these truths come out, how many hearts do they not strike? How many minds do they not illuminate? How much good do they not do? This is why you saw me place a globe of light in you. These are my truths which I communicate to you. Be attentive in receiving them, more attentive in communicating them, to give course to the light of my truths."
Now returning to pray, I found myself in the arms of my celestial mama who, squeezing me to her breast, was caressing me. But then I don't know how, I forgot about this and I was lamenting that everyone had left me. And Jesus, passing by me briefly, told me,
"Just a little while ago my mama was here, who squeezed you in her arms with great love."
But as he was saying this, I remembered.
The same happens with me. How many times I come and you forget about it? Could I perhaps be without coming? On the contrary, I act like a mama. When her child sleeps, she kisses her, caresses her, and the child does not know anything about it. And when she wakes up, she laments that her mama does not kiss her and does not love her. So you do.
Praised be Jesus, author of loving stratagems. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.